Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you like Chevys, if you like old shit, and you like beer, then this is a project for you. All right, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in, and today's project's gonna be kind of a cool one, man. I got this idea I had a while back. I got these, I found these old cans. Now these are like the metal ones. See how they opened the can? From what I gathered, it's probably 50s, maybe 60s. Then they came out with the aluminum pop top somewhere in the 60s. So these are some pretty vintage cans that I picked up. And then I also was at, I don't remember where I bought this. I think it was at the Vintage Mercantile in Hesperia, California. That's where I picked this up. And I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it. I just thought it had a good patina, and I picked it up, figured I would use it another time. And then, just like I always do, I'm always picking up car parts and stuff, trying to figure out, hey, how could I incorporate that into a project? So, was sitting here drinking one night, and I figured, you know what? I put this here. Let me just kind of show you where I'm going with this. This is pretty cool. This is about the same width as this. So that's kind of cool. And then I figured these beer cans, they fit. It's like a little shell. Problem is, I only had 2 beer cans. So recently, I bought a whole box of rusty old beer cans. So with all of this, we're gonna build a badass collection, vintage beer cans, Chevy emblem. I don't know, someone's gonna love it. Maybe it's you. Let's go. So we're all cleaned up. So now I got to do the next step, trying to figure out how we're gonna mount this. I know I want it on the bottom. So I think what I've decided to do is I went and got some 2x2s out of my stash in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a frame. Make a frame go all the way around, and that'll give me a spot to mount the hood emblem. So let's keep moving. All right, so next I'm gonna, my clamps, I have clamps that I was gonna use to hold this, but they're not big enough. So I'm gonna just square it up best I can, put some glue, a little nail. It'll be a little flimsy, but then I'll put it over the tray, and then I'll secure it better. Let's see how that goes. Next step, it's gonna be tight. I already kind of popped it in there a little bit, and it's pretty tight, mainly because these flanges, I'm guessing this tray probably slid down on something and slid. Now that I think about it, it's probably like in a toolbox or something, and it had these flanges to rest down in. So that makes it like super snug. So what I did is I secured 3 of the 4 corners. I went ahead and pulled the nails out of this one. And I'm gonna pop it in. can see here that it's kind of pulled. Shit, it was fitting better before. There we go. It will pull tight. It's like really, really close. So what I'm going to do is I am going to drill and screw this. All right, let's see how this goes. It's tight. All right. So next is figuring out how to mount this thing. This one has the original studs, but it doesn't have a stud here. Now let's mark our holes. So just gonna center this kind of where I want it. That looks pretty good right there. There we go. I felt it kind of line up. And then I'm just going to mark my holes. Hopefully we'll have, yeah, see our little, that's where we're going to drill. All right, coming along. Now it's just a matter of securing this. All right, final stretch. It's coming out pretty cool. All I got to do is put the hanger. I'm going to put a nice little wire to hang it on the back, heavy duty wire, it's a little heavy, and then put some of my Make It Look Old stain on the wood, and then I will dress it up, put all the beer cans in there, show you the reveal at the end of the video. Anyway, if you like the video, hit that like button. I appreciate it. I also do car show videos. If you're into cars and trucks and stuff like that, check those out. And if you dig what I'm doing, you dig the channel, appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Anyway, let me wrap this up. I'll have the reveal at the end. Have a good one. know I said I was gonna go straight to the reveal, but I wanted to line all these cans out so we can get a good look at those. These are pretty cool. They cleaned up nice. I put them in the sun and I forgot about them. And then when I went back over there, they cleaned up really, really good. I mean, yeah, they got patina. Yeah, they're old and rusty, probably ain't worth crap, but just like at a car show, man, you could have that $100,000 car and then that patina truck right next to it. People are gonna walk right past that $100,000 car and go check out that patina truck. So that's kind of what I'm going for with this collection and the way I put it together. Let me go ahead and throw them in the display unit, the shelf, and then I'll show you the reveal. All right, have a good one.